I'm going to take Daryl through Roundabout Alley, which is a street which has non-stop roundabouts from end to end.
Yeah, I'm ready. And Glenn says I'm ready. We'll find out. So here we go. I don't know if I'm too pumped, but regulation. When I get back, I might be more pumped.
As Darwin holds its breath, Daryl hits the open road.
The big danger now for Daryl with the 45-foot semi-trailer is to get around the roundabouts without running over any small cars or roundabouts. So let's see how wide he can take his turns. So stay close to the curb as you approach. That way we'll keep off his inside lane. Got to give way, stop. I know he's turned though.
Not even on the first roundabout, and Daryl's positioning is off.
Oh, it's a good roundabout, but there's a lot of people can't drive it properly.
You're not wrong, Daryl.
You need to get out wider, Daryl.
Yeah, I just touched that.
Don't run over their grass.
I didn't get their grass, I got their curb.
Okay.
Daryl's not too bothered about hitting the roundabouts, but just one bump come test day, and it's an instant fail.
It wasn't as challenging as I expected.
Oh, you're getting close to that curb, Daryl.
The curbs are made to go over there. Yeah.
If we do hit a curb on the driving test, it is a failure test.
Couldn't have went any wider.
Yeah, over side. Use the outside lane this time. No, use the outside lane. Right out wide, wider. Right, wide, Daryl.
Yeah.
No, you're not going wide enough, mate. You've got all this room out there. How'd we go that time?
Yeah, just touched it. I wasn't too fussed that I did put the wheel up on there. In a way,